Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up a crypto app step by step. Open the official store, download the app, and verify the developer name immediately. Create a unique email and a strong password, then enable two-factor authentication now. Keep a secure backup of recovery phrases offline and never share them. Stay calm and methodical as we move into account verification and funding steps next. Create your profile, complete KYC verification with clear ID photos, and wait for approval. Record the recovery phrase exactly and store it offline in multiple secure locations. Choose a bank or card to link, review fees, and set sensible transfer limits to control risk. Adjust privacy and notification settings for real-time alerts. These steps protect your funds while keeping your account ready for deposits and trades. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so try Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty for comfortable, durable wear that outlasts your hectic setup days. It's a small comfort while you watch charts or secure keys. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Fund your account with a modest first deposit and confirm the arrival of funds before trading. Practice placing market and limit orders to see how each executes and how fees apply. Monitor spreads and order confirmations carefully and avoid trading on impulse when prices move suddenly. Consider setting stop limits to manage downside and review transaction history to learn from each trade. Build confidence with small, consistent steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.